So this one we are going to start with linear equations in one variable. First of all, a linear equation represents a straight line. So if you see a graph that looks like this, like a straight line, it never bends, it describes the equation to be linear. So that's basically what it means by linear equation. So by equations meaning what? We have to solve the unknown. So a linear equation is of the form ax plus b is equal to c, where x is a variable or the unknown. This is what you are going to look for. And this a, b, and c are constants, okay, numbers that are given to you. So without further ado, I'm gonna give you some examples. Suppose you have 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. So meaning what? If we multiply some number by 3 and add 2 to it, you get 17. What is that number? So meaning what? You are asking yourself, what is x? What should x be? So I can get 17. So it is a process that you are going to do. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. Your task is to isolate x by itself. To do first, we are going to do the order of operation. So meaning what? I have to move 2 to the other side because I have to isolate 3x by itself. So subtract 2 from both sides. Then you have 3x is equal to 15. Okay. Now you want to get rid of 3. You know, this is multiplication. The only way you can get rid of 3 is what? If you divide it by 3, and if you divide 1 by 3, you also have to divide the second one by 3. The 3 and the 3 cancels out. So you have 15 over 3 is equal to 5. So in order for this equation to equal to 17, x has to be 5. You can prove it. So 3, so instead of x, put 5 plus 2. Follow the order of operation. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 plus 2 will give us 17. Okay, so the idea behind it is, in solving linear equation, is to isolate x by itself. Okay, let me do one more. You have now 4x minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 plus 6x plus 3. Okay, again, we need to simplify it one at a time. Look, I can combine 4x and 2x because they are of the same variable. So 4x minus 2x will give us 2x minus 5. And in my second expression, 4 and 3 are constant numbers, so I can combine these two. So I'm going to write 6x plus 7. 2x minus 5 is equal to 6x plus 7. Now, your 6x here, your 2x here, you have to bring them together. Your negative 5 and 7, they are similar, so you have to bring them together also. So take 2x out. Subtract 2x from both sides, one at a time. By doing that, you eliminate the x out of this. So 2x minus 2x, they cancel out. So you have minus 5. And 6x minus 2x gives us 4x plus 7. Okay. I have to move 7 from here. I have to get rid of 7 in here and add it in here. So meaning what? I have to subtract 7 from here. Also have to do 7 from here. So whatever I do here, I also have to do it here. Now let's see. Negative 5 plus negative 7 gives us negative 12. And then you end up with what? With 4x. Now the 4 is on my way, to have the value of x. So I want to get rid of 4. Then you do what? You divide it by 4. So you have negative 3. And the 4 and the 4 cancel. So x is equal to negative 3. You can always plug in back into your original equation and you can check whether that is the correct answer. Okay? Okay. Okay, let's do another one. You have 2 times x minus 5 plus 3x x plus 6. Now, before I even start simplifying this, I got to get rid of the parentheses. So I'm going to distribute 2 to everything inside. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Plus 3x is equal to x plus 6. Now what I need to do is I have to bring x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. In order to do that, I'm going to add 2x and 3x. I'm going to get 5x minus 10, and that is equal to x plus 6. Still, I need to do one more step in order to bring x to one side. So I subtract x. You have 4x minus 10 is equal to 6. Now I want to get rid of negative 10 because I want to have x all by itself. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So you have 4x is equal to 6 plus 10, which is 16. Now you want to get rid of 4, then divide both sides by 4, then x is equal to 4, and then you're done. Okay? Let me see whether you need, yeah, let me do one more. So, again, let's get rid of the parentheses. So I do 4 times 3x is 12x, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Okay, and then bring 38. Once again, distribute not just 2, but negative 2. So negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Okay. Now our first step is done. We got rid of the parentheses. Now, let me rewrite again because I want to simplify this one. So I have 38 and 2 because they are like terms. I have to combine them. Then I get 40, or x plus 40. Okay. Now I have to move minus 4x to this side. To do that, I have to add 4x and 4x. You have 16x minus 8 is equal to 14, right? Another thing, the next step would be what? I gotta move 8 to the other side, minus 8, meaning what? I have to add 8. Then I have 16x is equal to 48. Okay. Now, in order to get rid of 16, I have to divide it. Then x is equal to 3, and you're done. So, it is pretty much straightforward. Just follow the steps, and I think you'll be fine.